So the micropipette is the device which we use to accurately transfer the small volume of liquid. So it comes in different ranges, and if you want to transfer 45 microliter of liquid, you have to make sure that you use the micropipette, which is in range of 5 to 50 microliters. So on the side of each pipette, you can see the volume range. So here is 100 to 1000 microliter. This one is 20 to 200 microliter, and this one is 5 to 50 microliter. First, you have to know that what is the range of your micropipette when you want to transfer the liquid. The set volume window shows how much volume the pipette is currently set to transfer. So, for example, here is 20 to 200 microliter. When we want to transfer 40 microliter, for example, we can use this micropipette. Then we need to set these micropipettes to 40 microliter. Okay? Here is 55 and 40. So then we need to set the volume by this, by the head of the micropipette, and you can see the window 40 microliter. Okay? Then you will need to understand how to read the volume window for each pipette. Do not go out of the volume range for any pipette. For example, if this is the micropipette for 20 to 200, you shouldn't use these micropipette for transferring the liquid more than 200, okay? Otherwise you will break this one. After you set the volume, on the top of the pipette there is a pipette head that can be moved up or down like this to let in or push out liquid. So here is the start point, no volume, like this. First stop, set volume. This is the first stop. Second stop, blow out. This is the first, this is the second. Then, to transfer the 45 microliter of liquid, grab the correct pipette, set the volume by rotating the head to the desired volume. So here is the 45. Put on the correct sterilized pipette tip. So when we want to transfer the liquid, we need the tip. Here is the tip for the big micropipette. It won't fit to this. When we set the volume to 45, we need to grab the appropriate tip, and then here is the flask. For example, we wanted to transfer the liquid. We go to the first push. After we submerge the tip into the liquid, we need to release the button. When you release it, you will get 45. Then you can see that, for example, when you want to release it, you need to go to the first and second push to release the liquid. I will go one more time. No volume, nothing. Go to the first push, submerge it to the liquid, then release the push. You grab the 45 microliter, again push the button and release it, okay? Something that you should know. So, press down the pipette head to the first stop. Hold it. Submerge it. You only need to submerge the tip in a small distance. You don't need to go all the way down. Slowly let go of the pipette head so that it goes up and suck up the 45 microliter that you want to transfer. Then bring the pipette to where you want to liquid transfer, tip first, then press down the pipette head to the first stop to push out the 45 microliter of liquid. The second position has more volume than the first position. So if you press down to the second position, everything should be pushed out. So this is all about the micropipette, but you should know that how you need to read the volume, what is the range, and how you should transfer the volume.